Good afternoon to all those present at the public hearing today of the Vetting Commission established under the law number 65 on the external evaluation of judges and candidates for the position of judge of the Supreme Court of Justice. My name is Andrei Bival. I'm the Deputy Chair of the Commission and Chair of the Panel A, and I declare this session open. This hearing is carried out under the law number 252 on the external evaluation of judges and prosecutors and under the regulation, the rules of procedure of the Commission as part of the evaluation process. Now, the subject of today's evaluation is Madam Elena Bolocan, judge at the Chișinău District Court and candidate for the position of judge at the Center Court of Appeal. In May 2025, Madam Bolocan was transferred temporarily to the Center Court of Appeal. Judge Bolocan, welcome. Good afternoon and Godspeed. With me here, there are the two other members of this panel. To my right, Lilian Enciu, national member of the Commission. To my left, Lavli Perling, international member of the Commission. This panel is also assisted by members of the Secretariat, and behind you, you may see representatives of the media and of the public. And today, there is also a photographer here who will be taking pictures in the first few minutes of this hearing. There is simultaneous Romanian and English interpretation available for this hearing. To allow for accurate interpretation, please speak slowly and clearly. This hearing is also being recorded, and the recordings of the public hearings of the Commission are made available online on the website of the Commission on www.vettingmd.eu within 3 days after the hearing. I will now make a brief review of the evaluation process of Judge Bolocan. The Commission initiated this evaluation on the 7th of February 2025 by notifying Madam Judge Bolocan by email, requesting her to fill out and return an ethics questionnaire and the declarations provided with Law 252. Judge Bolocan has returned the filled-out declarations and questionnaire on the 14th of February 2025. On the 28th of February 2025, in compliance with Article 37, Paragraph 3 of the regulation of the Commission, Madam Bolocan was informed about the fact that her case was distributed randomly to Panel A. This subject was informed duly about her right to file a motivated request for recusal if she believed that that was necessary. As of today, no such request was filed. As part of the ethical and financial integrity evaluation of a subject, the Commission also obtains information from a number of other sources, such as from the National Integrity Authority, the State Tax Service, the General Border Police Inspectorate, other public institutions, financial institutions, and open sources. The Commission assesses the relevance and reliability of the information it obtains. From the 3rd of April 2025 and to the 12th of April 2025, the Commission has asked Judge Bolocan to provide additional information to clarify certain matters as part of a round of questions. Now, the subject provided answers and documentation by the set deadline on the 30th of May 2025. The Commission notified Judge Bolocan about the fact that it has finalized the evaluation and that it didn't come across doubts with regards to her observance of the ethical and financial criteria, and she was invited to participate in today's hearing. On the 2nd of June 2025, Judge Bolocan has provided the Commission an answer confirming she would participate in the hearing of today and stating that she would not seek access to the evaluation materials according to Article 39, Paragraph 3 of the regulation of the Commission. If, based on the collected and reviewed information, the panel has no doubts regarding the subject's compliance with the integrity criteria, it shall send a written notice to the subject and schedule a hearing at least 10 days after the notice, in which the subject will be asked to confirm the accuracy of the information provided. And the panel shall also announce the subject that in the absence of new information, the panel shall issue an evaluation report containing the proposal for promotion, for passing this exercise. Madam Judge Bolocan, would you like to make any corrections or additions to the answers you've already provided? no, I just confirm the accuracy of the data previously provided. I believe that that is everything that I was able to share, details regarding my work and financial matters, ethical matters. I've already provided everything that I was capable of, and that's everything I can say, unless the Commission believes it is important for me to answer some other matters and provide more clarification. Thank you. Now, your answers provided to the Commission and the information that you have also provided in the 5-year declaration, and what you've also provided in the ethics questionnaire you filed on back to us on the 14th of February 2025, is that information still topical, accurate, correct? Yes, I confirm that. Judge Bolocan, is there anything you would like to say now, a short speech before we finalize this hearing? Honorable members of this Commission, Chair of this panel, I would like to thank you for being objective in this procedure. As far as my evaluation is concerned, I have to admit that though it is a very important activity, it was also very complicated and quite emotionally difficult for me to go back such a long time, to think back of all the work I've been doing, the lifestyle of my lifestyle, the lifestyle of my family as well. And I needed to become aware again of how important it is to have good discipline in terms of our keeping of information regarding work, family affairs. And it is important to be at ease with one's own work and decision actions one has done. I continue to believe that integrity is not only about a control and the surveillance procedure. It is about the person, who the person is, actions, decisions, regardless of circumstances and people who are out there watching us, the society at large, and not only that. So I continue to believe, to trust that you will make the right decision as far as I am concerned, and as far as the purpose of the law is and in the framework of this evaluation. Thank you. Well, thank you too. We are at the end of this hearing. We'd like to thank you for all the answers to the questions. After the hearing, the panel will adopt an evaluation report establishing whether the subject fulfills the ethical and financial integrity criteria under the law 252. The panel shall strive to finalize the evaluation report and to announce its conclusions as soon as possible, and in general is trying to do this within 1 month after the public hearing of the subject. And now I declare this hearing closed.